Hi everyone, it's Khilna from EKone here. For those of you who don't know, I've been starting to paint a little bit more, and I am holding classes, so art classes, craft afternoons, that sort of thing. Today I just wanted to give you a little tip. So if you haven't painted before, or you're just getting into painting, just wanted to introduce how you can make, or what colours you can make from the three primary colours there. So if you took a little bit of yellow and a little bit of red, what colour would you make? So that was roughly like 50-50, so still quite red. But if you took a bit more yellow, so say you took 3 parts yellow to 1 part red, there you go, you get a bit more of an orange. And then if you took more yellow, and the teeniest bit of red, you kind of get a lighter orange, if that makes sense. Then if you were to mix, I'm going to go for, say, like 3 parts yellow and a teeny bit of blue, actually. Well, yeah, a little bit of blue. You get a green there. Say you were so more yellow and the teeniest bit of blue. Kind of green, do you get this? More like a sap kind of green, actually. And then if you mix a bit of red and a bit of blue, what do you get here? You should get a purple. quite interesting colours there. It kind of looks a little bit brown on the screen, but actually it is purple. And then say you wanted a bit more blue and the teeniest bit of red. You should get a darker purple. Sorry, a more bluer purple there. Yeah, so that's if you mix. So if you mix the red and the yellow, you should get a purple. Purple, sorry, orange. If you mix the red and the yellow, you should get an orangey kind of colour. If you mix the yellow and the blues, you should get greens. And then if you mix the reds and the blues, you should get purple. And in theory, if you mix all of those colours that you've just made, I'm just going to take a little bit of orange, a little bit of green, a little bit of purple. You should get some sort of brown. And there you go. And there you have yourself some more colour to play with. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if there's anything specific you would like me to show you next time. Thanks, bye.